In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 941 in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your quarterly Form 941, how to review it for accuracy, and how to print or save a clean copy for your records. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in and looking at the correct company, head to the left navigation and open the Taxes section. This is where QuickBooks groups everything related to payroll tax compliance. If you don't see taxes, make sure your subscription includes payroll and that you have permission to view payroll tax forms. Inside taxes, switch to the payroll tax area. Depending on your layout, you may see a tab labeled payroll tax, and then an option for filings or sometimes tax forms. Don't worry, both take you to the same place where your forms live. Now locate the area for quarterly forms. That's where you'll find Form 941, the employer's quarterly federal tax return. Select Form 941, then choose the quarter and year you want to work with. For reference, Quarter 1 covers January through March, Quarter 2 is April through June, Quarter 3 is July through September, and Quarter 4 is October through December. Picking the correct period ensures the totals match the payroll you actually ran in that time frame. Open the form by clicking View. QuickBooks fills in the form using your payroll data, including total wages, federal income tax withheld, and the Social Security and Medicare amounts. Take a moment to review the figures, confirm the quarter at the top is correct, and scan the totals to see if they align with what you expect based on your payroll runs. If something looks off, double check that you selected the right quarter and that all payroll has been processed and dated within that period. When everything looks good, it's time to print. Click the print icon on the form. Your browser's print dialog will appear, where you can choose your printer and confirm settings like pages and orientation. If you prefer a digital copy, select Save as PDF instead of a physical printer. This is a great way to keep an electronic record or to store a draft while you verify details. If the print window doesn't open,